Hello, and welcome to today's family program. I'm Dr. Kitcher, and it's always a joy to be with you. Another beautiful day is here, and it's a new month. I want to welcome you to the month of October. This is beautiful, and I wish you the very best every day of this month. And like you know, every Tuesday we will be here together with you to discuss things that matter and that will help us as we live and relate to other people in this world. For those who are here for the first time, I would like to say that our program is built one on the other. So I encourage every time for you to watch the previous programs in order for you to be abreast with what we're talking about. Should we mention something coming up from the previous program? Now to everyone, I would like you to take the next few minutes to invite a friend to join you watch this program. Also, like and share the link with friends so that we can get many people listening to and watching what we are doing here. I believe what we offer here is very important and it can really be helpful to you. So what are we going to do today? Today we are going to look at things that hinder your progress. Things that hinder your progress. There is always a reason for why something happens. And I will mention just three things. And these are thought patterns. These are, things we usually say without really knowing the power of those, words or, those attitudes. Have you ever heard anybody say the word try? Try. I'll try to do it. I'll try to make it. Whenever you say you try to do something, what you are saying in effect is that I'm not sure if I would do it or I will not. I will try. I will try means I'm not certain of results. I will try means I may not even start. I will try means, I'm not really certain. So when you have that mentality of I will try, one of the things that it happens is that you can begin to procrastinate, postpone things, and not really achieve your aim. Also, you will not have any measure of your success because you never said you were going to achieve an aim. You say you are going to see to make sure, or you are going to do your best. So it's like there's nothing concrete. You cannot actually weigh whether you did it or you did not do it because you said, I will try. Next time when something comes before you, don't go with the I will try mindset. Go with how can I make this work mindset. Against I will try. Go with I will start it and continue and see what happens. Should you hit, a blockade, you go back, you analyze, and see how you can break through. That is the best way to live this life. Many people have been having intentions. I will try to do this. I will make sure I exercise. I will try to, do jogging, and they never end up doing it. And you cannot hold them responsible. They never said, I'm going to jog from Monday to Wednesday. So you cannot hold them responsible. The word try in English is just three letters. But listen, these three letters are very, very important. So, so important that you should never build your life based on the mindset of I will try. The next word is can't. Can't, C-A-N-T. I can't do it. I can't understand you. I can't see it. I can't remember. I can't. The word can't cancels even the need to start. If when we talk about trying, it's like you would maybe make some little effort. Can't means you've not even started, but you are saying it's impossible. There are many people who work with the currency of can't. So you say, let's go do this. I can't do it. Oh, let me appreciate myself in the area of maybe understanding finance. I can't do that. I'm not gifted for that. I can't do it. When you have the can't mentality, you imprison yourself in a world of no movement, no advancement, and definitely no progress in life. Whenever you have the opportunity, remove that last T and say, I can. I can. Because if you can't, then nothing will be done. These are words we use loosely, but the more you use it, the more it builds your mindset, and it's possible that it would begin to show its fruits in your life. I know many people who their first response to things is, I can't, I can't, I can't. And they never get back to their senses to maybe say, okay, I'll try, and move from I'll try to, okay, give it a shot. And giving it a shot, say, oh, wow, it seems to be interesting. And then before you know, wow, I did it. You see, we need to get to the place where our first response should not be no, especially when it has to do with doing something beneficial, doing something good, doing something that counts, for glory, to help people, to brighten, a dark corner. When those kind of challenges come, your first response should not be can't. Don't say, I can't do that. For instance, you get an idea. The idea is you see a lot of homeless people in your community, and you just had a thought run into, oh, I can feed, I want to feed 100 of these people. Wow. Then you say, no, I can't. I don't have money, because you start calculating. If I'm going to get bread and sausage and tea, I'm going to spend maybe, $5 on each person. I don't have $500. So I can't. I can't. I just can't. But there is this other person who gets the same thought and says, whoa, what do I have? $20. Okay, let me start with two. Another person sees him doing with two, joins him, and before you know, they're doing 1,000. Don't say, I can't. Please remove this, especially when it has to deal with any positive thing coming your way. I can't, progress. I can't do this. I can't do that. That is not your portion. You need to have a better understanding of what you can do as a human being. And most of the times when thoughts come into your head, those thoughts actually can be materialized if you begin to take the thoughts and put them into words, and the words into, producing stuff. You would eventually have something substantial that you can hold, that you can feel. But it started with a not giving up mentality. Don't be a can't person. Be a can person. Yes, you can. Yes, we can. Do not say I can't, because you can do anything that you want to do if you are very positive about it, if you invest into it, and if you give time to it. This brings us to our third point, which is also a word that we use. And this word is so powerful, so powerful that when we use it, it has the power to affect everything that is said. Let's look at that word. Or can you guess what it is? Let's see how many guessed it. If you did guess, tell me you guessed it right. The word is but, B-U-T, but. So you say something like, yeah, I'm ready to move, down south and, start some stuff and do wonderful things. But the moment you say those words and add the word but, you may not even necessarily say the sentence to the finish. Everyone who hears it will know that something contrary is coming. So, but when also used in the negative or regarding things that has to be done, then it negates it. So whatever precedes a but becomes negated after the bad comes and something else comes. So you say, I want to move down south because there's something beautiful, wonderful. I see a bright future there, but I'm afraid. But it will cost too much. But I have this contract to see to here. So your but negates the first things that you want to do. And it's about time we remove it in the negative sense in our lives. Don't ever underrate yourself, because you have what it takes to make, things work as you are here on the earth. Let's stop using these words and let's begin to believe that we can try things. No, we can, we can't do things. No, that every time there is a but. No, let's build our lives in a way that we don't try things, we do things. We do things, and what we do may succeed or may not succeed. That is the only time you can say, I tried, but I failed. I tried, but I didn't succeed. So try, can't, but these are three words that stops you from advancing. Words that stops you from advancing. Please do not use these words, especially when it's connected with something good, and then that word negates it. What we say has power to manifest, and what we receive has power to also enter and inform our lives and change us into different, caliber of people. So if you get the opportunity to do something, don't try it. Just do it. Just do it. When you get the chance to, get through something, don't say, I can't. Say, I can. With the help of science, with the help of friends, with the help of God, whatever, you can do it. And finally, but don't entertain that word too much in your life. You may say something and use a but in the positive, right? My leg is broken, but I will go with a car. The books are torn, but I have a new one. So when used in association with good things, then it is fine. But most of the times we use it to show that the things we have said first is, different. So please do not allow yourself to bring yourself down based on the mentality that people have, for which if you don't talk like them or don't do things like them, then you'll be found wanting. Just remember, this is today's family program. I'm Dr. Albert Kitcher. We always come to you here to prompt you and to encourage you to live a better life. Today, we are looking at three words that stops you. The first is try, the second is can't, and the third is but. And we are saying that it is always good not to try things, but go with the aim of doing stuff. And also, it is important for us never to give up in any venture or whatever we're doing. So make sure you don't say, I can't, I won't, it's impossible. All negativity must wait somewhere else, not to come from your mouth. It is very, very important. So this is where we will end today, but I want you to know that we are very passionate and very happy to see you prosper and to see you use these nuggets to help you in your life. Remember the three words that stops: try, can't, and but. Have a wonderful week, and we'll see you in a week's time. Bye-bye.